Hello and welcome to today's podcast. This episode is brought to you by DG Training Land, a hands-on training institute helping professionals build job-ready skills for Dubai's growing design and construction industry. Dubai is one of the fastest-growing cities in the world, and behind every tower, infrastructure project, and interior space is a team of professionals working with precise digital drawings. AutoCAD sits at the heart of that process, and the demand for people who know how to use it is only growing. In this podcast, we will discuss why AutoCAD skills matter in Dubai, the key skills employers are looking for, how to practice them, and what career paths open up once you have them. So let's get started. Let's start with why AutoCAD is such a big deal in Dubai specifically. Almost every major construction, infrastructure, and design project in the city relies on precise digital drawings. AutoCAD is the tool professionals trust for creating, modifying, and sharing those drawings, especially on large international projects where multiple teams need to stay aligned. The software makes it easy to store, revise, and distribute design documents without things getting lost in translation. Dubai's rapidly growing sectors also move fast. Deadlines are tight, project teams are large, and there is very little room for miscommunication. AutoCAD helps designers work quickly and accurately, which is exactly what fast-paced projects demand. It also improves coordination across teams, something that matters a lot in a city where development never really slows down. Now, who actually needs to learn AutoCAD? The short answer is anyone working in design, engineering, or manufacturing. Architects, engineers, and manufacturers all use it to create precise technical drawings, 2D drafting, and 3D models. It improves accuracy, efficiency, and teamwork. Whether you are just starting out or already have years of experience in the field, proficiency in AutoCAD is something that can meaningfully move your career forward. Let's talk about the difference between AutoCAD 2D and 3D, because they serve quite different purposes. 2D AutoCAD is simpler to learn. It's used for sketching and drafting, and it works well for technical prints, manufacturing drawings, and schematics. It's lighter on hardware and gives you static views from different angles. 3D AutoCAD, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve. It opens up live rotation, camera angles, shading, and the ability to produce prototypes, simulations, and renderings, all from one model. It demands more from your hardware, but it also gives you a lot more to work with creatively and technically. Now let's get into the core of today's episode, the top 10 AutoCAD skills that will actually help you get hired in Dubai. The first is the ability to create floor plans, elevations, sections, and detailed drawings. This is foundational for anyone working in architecture, engineering, or construction. Employers expect you to produce clean, accurate documentation, not just rough layouts. The second skill is using simple visuals and 3D models to explain your work. Design doesn't happen in isolation. You need to be able to communicate ideas clearly to clients and colleagues, and visuals are often the most effective way to do that. Third is developing comprehensive shop drawings. This means taking engineering inputs and turning them into detailed drawings for MEP systems, structural steel, and facade components. It's a highly practical skill that bridges design and on-site execution. Fourth is working with layers and blocks. This is how professional teams maintain consistency and efficiency, by organizing drawings so that components can be reused across projects without starting from scratch every time. Fifth is design annotation and dimensioning. Clear, accurate annotations using the right measurements, hatching, and remarks make your drawings readable and useful to everyone on the project, including contractors who have never spoken to you. Sixth is BIM compatibility. More and more firms in Dubai are working within BIM workflows. If you can convert AutoCAD designs into Revit or Navisworks, you become significantly more valuable to collaborative, multidiscipline teams. Seventh is discipline-specific drafting. Dubai has demand across architecture, interior design, civil engineering, and MEP. Being able to produce drawings that meet the standards of a specific discipline rather than generic designs, makes you more employable in that sector. 8th is managing complex projects efficiently. This means organizing your layouts, models, and paper spaces well, and handling external references without losing track of what belongs where. Good file management is underrated, but matters enormously on large projects. 9th is the ability to update drawings and produce as-built plans. Projects change. Engineers and contractors on site need drawings that reflect what was actually built, not just what was planned. Being comfortable with revisions and updates is a practical, day-to-day skill. And the 10th skill is time management and coordination with multi-ethnic teams. Dubai's project teams are international. Being able to meet timelines while working across cultures and disciplines, and keeping drawing accuracy intact through all of it, is something employers genuinely value. Now, let's understand how to actually build these skills through practice. Real-world projects are the most effective way to develop confidence in AutoCAD. Rather than just running through commands, try creating floor plans, elevations, sections, and interior layouts for villas and apartments. Practice MEP drawings, lighting plans, HVAC duct layouts, and plumbing diagrams for both residential and commercial settings. Civil drafting exercises like parking lots, road plans, and drainage systems will sharpen your precision. Drawing furniture, wall panels, or small building components also builds your portfolio. And converting some of your 2D drawings into 3D models gives you exposure to spatial thinking and adds depth to your work. Speaking of learning, let's look at how to go about it in Dubai. There are many training options available, but the key is to choose a program that emphasizes practical experience over theory. Schools that teach architectural drafting, civil drawings, and MEP layouts are particularly popular because those are the skills Dubai employers are hearing for. Smaller class sizes help too, since you get more personalized attention. After completing a course, you should have a small but solid portfolio, sample plans, technical drawings, and 3D models that demonstrates your capabilities to potential employers. Let's take a closer look at the career opportunities this unlocks. Dubai's construction, design, and infrastructure industries are consistently hearing AutoCAD professionals. Some of the key roles include civil drafters who support engineering teams on residential, commercial, and institutional builds. MEP drafters who handle plumbing, electrical, and mechanical systems. Architectural drafters who produce floor plans and design documents. CAD technicians and AutoCAD drafters who build comprehensive 2D models. Shop drawing specialists, interior design drafters, CAD coordinators, and BIM support drafters who help integrate drawings into larger workflows. With experience and a strong portfolio, these roles can lead to positions like CAD manager or project director at design and engineering firms across the city. That brings us to the end of today's podcast on the top AutoCAD skills you need for jobs in Dubai. From understanding the difference between 2D and 3D workflows to mastering annotation, BIM integration, and on-site drawing revisions, AutoCAD proficiency opens doors across architecture, engineering, construction, and interior design. And in a city that is constantly building, those doors stay open. Thank you for listening. If you found this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. To know more, you can visit our website at dgtrainingland.ae. Let's wrap it up here. Thanks again for listening.